What's the meaning of all-purpose flour? All-purpose flour. All-purpose flour. All-purpose flour. All-purpose flour. All-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour is a versatile type of flour commonly used in baking. It is made from a blend of hard and soft wheat grains, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes. All-purpose flour typically results in a moderate amount of protein and gluten formation when baked, which allows for a balanced texture in dishes like cakes, cookies, bread, and more. It is a pantry staple that can be used in many recipes and is readily available in most grocery stores.